Welcome to 5835 CAVANO Drive. Beautiful Esplanade villa with extended lanai and great water view. Easy care and maintenance-free living, in an amenity-rich, gated neighborhood, just 1 mile from our world-famous Siesta Key. Built to the current stringent building codes, this perfect-sized home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths plus a den or office. The kitchen, great room and dining area have an open feel with high ceilings, downlights and speakers for surround sound. The cook and the family will enjoy lots of counter space, tall wood kitchen cabinets, crown molding, granite tubs, gas stainless appliances plus a pantry closet. The master suite overlooks the peaceful lake and has a walk-in closet, plus dual sinks, granite tubs, and walk-in shower. The extended lanai is perfect for entertaining and enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. Esplanade by Siesta Key offers outstanding amenities such as a large clubhouse, fitness center, heated resort-style pool and spa, tennis, bocce ball and a doggie park too. Meet new friends at a variety of social events or simply jump on your bike and ride to Siesta Key. This truly move-in ready home is perfect for anyone wanting a newer home, in a great gated community, only minutes to the beach, restaurants, shopping and more. Call today for a private showing.